Hello guys, how you doing today? I just wanted to make this video to show you guys a way how to make money. Not to make money, but to save money. Um, I've been doing this $5 yearly challenge, and the way how it works is every time that you go to the store and you break a $20 bill, you save all the $5 bills that you get. Now I took this challenge to another level, right? And I just want to show you that you could go to YouTube and you could type in the search box. You could type in $5 yearly challenge, and you'll see a bunch of videos of other people that are doing this challenge. And this challenge really works because I've always had trouble saving money, and I ran into this challenge by just being on YouTube and just running into profiles of people that was doing it. So check this out. My backup, on my computer, I've even taken a screenshot of the money that I've generated doing it. I started out saving quarters, and I don't know if you guys ever save quarters and you put them in those what you call them things? Those things that you put them into and you take them into the bank. I started out doing that, and when I ran into the $5 year challenge, I um, saved up all my fives, and I started. When you're doing a challenge like this, you have to start it. People usually start it at the beginning of the year. I started January 1st, 2000, 2019. And let me just go into my pictures. I'm going to show you some of my results. This is me holding $1,000 that I saved doing this challenge. And mind you, I've always had trouble saving money all my life. And this $5 yearly challenge has gained me this much money by just saving all my fives. I just went to the bank one day and told them to give me all my fives in hundreds, and this is what it came out to be. Check this out. I'm gonna go back because I want to show you when I had my fives. So check this out. This is when I had all my money in fives. And what I was doing, like, say if I do some work, I have some people in my neighborhood, right, that I've gained a lot of trust and built up a relationship with them throughout the years. And I started out shoveling snow off their property, and they pay me for doing that. And the money that I get from that, I've just been saving it. So say if a customer pays me $80 for shoveling their snow, I just take that money and I go to the bank and I tell them to give it to me in $5 bills. And I've been doing that. I even have customers right now that I'm working for that pay me to clean their yard. And I even invested in a snow blower. Not a snow blower, I mean a leaf blower. And I blow out the leaves from their property and they pay me for doing that. So that's one of the ways that I've been making this money. Let me see if I could go and show you another screenshot. This is another screenshot of the money when I added all in a bundle. And this is when I took it to the bank, and I had it like this. And when I was cashing out this money at the bank, the lady was telling me, "Oh, I should put it into a savings account." And I already have a savings account at the bank. But, putting your money in savings is not going to make me any money, because I noticed that when you put your money in the bank, they take out a fee each month. It may be $6 or maybe $5, but it all adds up. So I'm not going to tell people what to do with their money, but putting your money in the bank for me is not going to work for me, because if I have this money for myself, I'm not paying any fees or whatever. I mean, this money is just going to be what it is. But let's get back to YouTube. I'm going to show you guys that you can go to YouTube. If you come up here in this YouTube search, you just type in $5 year challenge, and they do have other challenges that you could do. You could do a $20 challenge. You could do a $10 challenge. You could do a $20 challenge. It all depends on how much money you're making. Right? I just chose to do the $5 challenge, and it's been working for me. But at some point, I'm gonna graduate. Not everybody. You have to graduate, right? You start out in When we all start out in life, we start out in kindergarten, then we graduate to high school, and then we graduate to college. That's our same principle is in this. I started off at saving quarters, then I graduated to $5. I think my next challenge will be to graduate to the $10 level, start saving $10 bills. Some people can even afford to put away $100 bills. It depends on how much money you're making. But go to YouTube, type in $5 year challenge, and just click on the search tab. This lady's doing it right here. This lady's doing it right here. This lady's doing it right here. You can watch all these videos. I watch all these people's videos right here. And there's one specific young lady in here that I follow, and she's just killing it in this. This lady right here, and she's even showing her daughter how to do it. Right, so this is a great way to save your money. Some people are even doing the dollar challenge, where they save dollar bills. I mean, it's all has to do with what level of income you have coming in. But I just chose to do the $5 challenge. These are old videos. I just wanted to show you guys that you can watch these videos. All these people are doing it. They even have another challenge that's called the 52-week challenge. Well, I guess you guys would have to research it. I haven't done that before. I'm checking out every kind of way how to save, because remember in the intro of my video I was talking about the quarters and how I've been saving them. This is what I meant by I put them in these wrappers right here, and this is how I started out. I take these wrappers to the bank, and they give me money. These would add up to like let me see, quarters would add up to like maybe $10. A roll of these quarters would add up to $10, and I had a bunch of them like this. and I just took them to the bank. That's how I started out. So, just wanted to share with you the way out I have been doing the $5 challenge. Let's just check out this video right here because this is what I wanted to show you. She's counting all the fives that she made. I had mine laid out on the bed like